Hello, good evening. Yeah, today I want to explain about the variables. Here you can see what is a variable means. Like first thing is computer scientists often to work with these variables pretty much because without variable we can do programming but very less programming only we can do. But if we have the variable, then we can do a lot. Like this, we can store and we can reuse and we can do arithmetic operations, we can do multiplications like this. So many things we can do using the variable. Now coming to here, what is a variable? Actually, how we can work with those things. First of all, what is the action it will do? If you observe these things, the first thing is variable is a container. Okay, here I am noted down. I will write on the something here. So here you can see my notepad, and here I am writing. The first thing is what is a variable. If anybody asks you what is a variable, you can say variable is a container. Okay, variable is a container, and container it can store information. Sometimes you can call as a values, or else you can call as a data. Okay, so variable is a container. So what it can do? If anybody asks you what variable do, so you can store the information, and it will and how is the variable look like? If you see, otherwise you can call it as a what variable have. It have the variable have name and value. Okay, we have name and value. Now here I will just show you. See here, the variable, like if you give the word like this, suppose x equal to, or else age equal to some 17 if you give. Okay, so here if you observe here, this is the name, age is the name, and 17 is the value. Okay, age is the name and 17 is the value. This is the name and this one is the value. Okay, not only this one, so different kind of things we will take it here. Now see here, suppose weather. Okay, in weather, like if I put it here like this, cloudy. Okay, CLO, cloudy. In this one, what is the name? Here, weather is the variable name, and if you observe here, weather is the variable name and cloudy is the value. Okay, so see, when we are using the variable names, we need to follow certain rules, and here some rules are there. Those rules we need to observe very carefully, otherwise it will give us so many errors. Okay, so what are those what are those rules? Now we will let you know. Just simply you can observe this one. The first thing is, if you see here, okay, variable have the container and containers. Okay, here name and value, you have the name and value. So for example, age equal to 17. Okay, age equal to 17. See, in this one, age is a variable name and 17 is the value. Another example is weather is cloudy. Okay, and the left side part always is the variable name and right side part always is the value. So if you keep the equal to, yesterday I explained, so equal to means assigning. Okay, right side value we are assigning to left side. Weather is cloudy means in weather we are storing cloud. Okay, later if you want to update that value, weather is like a summer like this, if you want to give weather is like a summer hot or like that, if you want to put it, then you can update. Okay, weather equal to like a hot, like that you can keep. Okay, now see here, now here I'm writing here. So for example, I'm writing some value I'm writing. Okay, now here I'm putting count equal to, okay, count equal to 0, I put it. Now if you want to read the count, 0 value, see, directly you can call count, then it will give the count value. Suppose now I'm giving count equal to 10. See, now if you call the count, then it will give the 10. So that means old value is 0. Now again if you are calling the count, now what is the new value, that value only it will give. Okay, that means if later if you want to update the values, it will give you the chance to. That is the first thing. And the next, how to name the where, how to name the